Okay, in this short video, I'm going to go through what method you use if you're given a question in an exam where you're given a triangle, but you don't know explicitly what method to use. So the first question that you ask yourself is the triangle right-angled or is it not right-angled? Now, if it is a right-angled triangle, there are only two options for you to choose from. The first one is going to be Pythagoras, or the second one is SohCahToa. Now, you use Pythagoras when you've obviously got a right-angled triangle, but you're given two of the sides and you're trying to work out the third. So it must be right-angled, you've been given two of the sides and you're trying to work out a third. SohCahToa is when you've been given a right-angled triangle, but you've also got an angle. Okay, so SohCahToa, right-angled triangle, but the question involves angles. If the exam question is a triangle that is not right-angled, again, there are only two options. We've got the sine rule or we've got the cosine rule. The sine rule is when you are given an angle and you're also given its opposite side. So we have a pair, we have the angle and its opposite side. So we might have a question that looks something like so. The cosine rule is when we don't have an angle and its opposite side. So we might have an angle, we don't have to, but we don't have its opposite side. So you might have something that looks like that. Alternatively, you might be given a triangle like so. You might be given all three sides. I don't know, I'm just going to make this up, 7 meters, 12 meters and 13 meters. But we might be trying to work out this angle. Okay, so do we have an angle and its opposite side? No, so it must be a cosine rule question. Hope that helps.